Finley has a bird in her mouth, and she wants to come in the house.
She came in with it and dropped it in the house.
And I made her pick it up and take it out. I didn't know what it was. There it is.
That's the birdie.
Oh, Finley Lou. How does she catch birds?
Mom. She does not have a bird in the bed.
Do you want to come in the house?
She'll probably go down, take it, bring it in, and not leave.
Oh, gross!
She can't swallow that.
She's a dog, honey.
But if she swallows that, she's gonna have rabies.
No, birds don't carry rabies.
Oh.
Unless they're bats. Bats can, but that's not a bat. Is that your breakfast?
Yeah, no more num-nums. Really, now you're not getting num-nums.
Go shut the alarm off, please.
Oh, yeah. You're getting out of the kitchen. Dad turned it off.
Look at how pretty she is. She's like, I caught a bird.
She has her ear flipped.
I caught a bird. I'm so proud of myself. But my humans won't let me in the house. I'm not letting you in the house with that bird. I am sorry.
Finley, it's too nasty.
She's like, but look, it's a bird.
Everybody loves birds. You can even have a piece of it.
Oh. That poor bird didn't have a chance in hell. Oh. Get sick. Can I come in the house? Can I come in the house? No, you cannot come in the house. Oh, man, that is so disgusting.
She's like, what's so nasty? I think I have in my mouth. No, that's not
Oh,
nasty. You
yummy.
should try
This
it.
is delicious.
You should just try it. You might believe me.
You're gonna licking her chops. That's delicious.
I don't even know where the bird is.
Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like take her to the vet and make sure she doesn't have any diseases. Ugh.
I think she swallowed it.
Oh no, she's like gonna barf it up.
Is it? Oh my God, that's the bird. It
No,
looks like a purple grass.
Yeah, the bird's there.